Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free videos for tonight, I wanted to show you a setup that I'm looking at in Tesla. It is fascinating to see how this symbol has been respecting symmetry. That is to say that if you go back and measure this advance from that measured move kind of perspective, the advance that you saw off of the 206 low is very similar, and you can see that that is where the double top has started to come through. So now that you are seeing a daily squeeze that is resolved or basically signaling to the downside, I think there is the potential to repeat these corrections. You can see the correction that was the final bit of this bearish move. You can see the move that came a little further where you did make by a small margin, but you made a relative new high, and then you do make a higher low. Those corrective moves, if repeated from this double top, would take you down into 258. So I believe the move into 258 should be imminent, which is to say it will be easier to trade if it would be immediate. Let the squeeze give this the break. And also, once you see those daily signals that have fired, come down into the smaller time frame and look for the same. You see this 15-minute? I believe that as long as Tesla stays below 277, you're destined for 263, and then possibly that symmetry we discussed at 258. That's where you would book your profits on the bearish position, and then we'll look at our next round of decisions. When you think of mega cap tech, notice how Apple ended the day with almost the exact same setup. Technically, the 15-minute squeeze fired a little bit more in the middle of the day, but look at the 39-minute. The 39-minute chart evenly divides the 390-minute cash session, so that's why I enjoy using that slightly more esoteric time frame. But I use it because the 15, again, already had fired. If we move to the 39-minute, you'll see that the squeeze is still in its phase of compression, which might suggest there is still more to head lower, and I like this for prints down below 155. So if we open up with strength tomorrow, I think it's shortable. If we open up weak, these will be the areas of support to watch, and I hope you find them helpful with your analysis. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.